remove the drain plug, use a 5/8 inch socket. When the plug is loose, put the oil pan underneath and remove the plug by hand. Try your best not to drop the plug into the oil pan.
Now let the oil drain.
As you can see, I tilted the bike to either side to help drain the oil.
Once the oil stops draining, put the plug back into place.
Now we can remove the oil filter and swap it for a new one. To remove the old filter, I used an oil filter wrench.
Once the filter is loose, remove it by hand.
You wipe up the excess oil and clean the filter area. Next, grab the new filter and lubricate the O-ring with oil, then tighten down the filter. When the O-ring makes contact, turn it another 3/4 of a turn. When the filter and drain plug are in place, add the oil. In this case, we use 20W50, full synthetic motorcycle oil.
Start off by just adding 2 quarts.
Take it for another quick spin, then let it sit for 5 minutes. After that, check the oil level. Mine was a little bit low, so I added another 1/2 quart.
The final step in this process is to clean up your work area and possibly go out and wash your motorcycle.